has another new addition. Counter. Oh, it's so ghetto.
It is, isn't it?
Love it.
All of 5 minutes. Sorted.
You know, folks. So not a lot of filming's happened today. Just got yesterday's video or tonight's video uploaded. Just a short one, but that's how it goes sometimes. But I think now we're gonna try and build a bit of a bench for the camp. Just something to do, really.
Oh, hang on, I'm thinking tabletop now, on the bench.
Oh yeah, but do both at the same time.
Yeah. Probably do the bench at the same sort of design, but the turn on the back.
Oh, you're thinking a proper bench?
Yeah, just a little, you know, just a couple of ass cheek.
So we've got table making over here. We've got weed attacking. Just do it like this one.
Yeah, show me how. Hi.
You just want to cut them, so.
I don't have enough strength. Okay, I think stop because you're going to do it all. There's going to be no reason for me to do it anymore.
Smell of cut grass of the year now.
Yeah. Not me, 'cause I get hay fever.
Ah?
I get hay fever.
Ah. Well.
That first smell of cut grass for me is game over.
Yeah.
All of it up.
You having fun there?
That breath. Do you want me to get all this crappy up?
No, just so that the nettles are gone. We can stamp all this down.
Yeah, we can stamp all this down. And then we just get all the...
No! No! The sun has gone down. Well then.
Oh no, is that
there's an ant's nest in it.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Honey, no, they're bad. They're really bad.
Oh!
No!
What is it?
Ant's nest in the log.
Oh my god, that's absolutely disgusting.
Ah, we should probably throw that away then. Will you stop being the gypsies?
Ants though.
Away.
Alright. Hey, go. Enough!
It's also the end of my camp.
Oh, what was it?
Brake cleaner. I've got it. Yeah. See how it goes.
Dislodge some bricks.
Oh, someone's going to say, you shouldn't be removing thistles.
It's bad for the environment.
Fuck my dick. Table, mate.
Strong.
Oh yeah, so. I want to do this again. Our can disposal mechanism.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yes.
And can I do mine? I need you to help me though. Ready? I'm not ready. Oh, I can't.
That's what we get at the end.
I can't do it. Only can you lift it on there and then I can lift it? Thanks. Ready? It's squished.
Oh, for God's sake. Oh, that's better. There we go. Oh, yes.
If I sit on that, I'll break.
Hang on. Don't jump on it.
I'm not going to jump on it. It's alright.
Isn't it?
I need some cushions now.
Push once.
How many is this one?
I don't know anymore. So, that's not happening.
That's well thick. There's something really satisfying about that noise.
Yeah, got a few already. Do you want me to break this one for you as well?
Yeah.
I'm not going to be able to. My 14 stone.
Oh, fine.
So, is it? It's quite thick, you're going to have to hit it hard. Do that, then you twist it.
God, do you think I could do that?
Yeah?
Yeah, but you've got well loads of muscle.
Yeah, but you just launch the axe at it.
Okay.
Remember
What,
this?
head first or bottom first? Or just
What?
like the flat bit, the top bit or the bottom bit? Is that your bit?
That was a terrible shot. Do that, and you can go down it. Just put dents in it like this.
And then snap it.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay. Tomato.
There's plenty to do. Might be a bit thick actually. Yeah. So if you can't break it like that, just go like this.
Taking me bloody eye out, Mart. So am I gonna have a go or what?
Yeah, there's all this to do.
Oh, okay.
God's sake.
Where's Honey? There he is. Let's do that.
Just right, first thing you need to do
Okay.
is open your legs. No, seriously,
Okay.
because if you miss, you'll hit your shins.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you use two hands?
Straight in the middle.
Now what? Wait, hang on. Can I not just go straight through that?
No, because it will fling. So you want to hold it with your left hand
Left?
in the corner.
I'm not left-handed. Oh, like that.
Yeah. And then just do it. Yeah, and then one there.
Ah, I'm frightened. In case I get myself.
Yeah, but if you let go and piss about, then you're likely to hit yourself.
Yeah, okay. Okay. And I know what you. That's not. Is that hard enough?
Yeah, just break it on your knee.
Oh, that's actually really easy.
Yeah, because you've cut it.
No, I can't do that. Can you do that one? No, I can't. My legs aren't that strong. Honey.
Pull.
I told you I can't do it.
And then you just hit there. And that cracks it.
Polski.
Try and hit it a bit harder with the axe.
Okay. Why are you laughing?
It's funny.
It's not. Yeah, let's do it. How do I tackle this? Straight in the middle, like that? No, wait, hang on. How did you do it?
Turn it around. Have it opposite.
Why
So
there?
hold that with that your left hand.
There.
Yeah, crouch down.
How far, like this?
Yeah. Well, you're not going to hit it, are you? Because you're hitting straight down onto there. So you want to hit it about there.
What, from here?
Yeah. Hard, a lot harder.
Oh! I could be a boy.
You want to split that one as well. It's too thick. Both of them actually. The same thing.
Like what, down?
Yeah.
Wait, why do I have to go down?
Because
Why can't I do something up?
then your angle is wrong and you're likely to hit yourself.
Okay. I don't want to hit myself.
Yeah, but if you're down like that, then you can't.
I don't know.
You got to hit it a lot harder.
My aim's not very good.
Yeah, but it'll get better. It's muscle memory.
Oh, I'm not sure about this, Hoodie. It's a bit too it's a bit too big.
Hold the end.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah. Just hold it so it lays flat on there.
Okay. Is it really muscle memory?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, that's what aiming is.
Oh, I'm just
Really hard.
Oh, but it didn't get it.
Yeah, because what you're doing is you're lifting it up with your left hand.
Am I?
Yeah.
Like
Keep
that?
it flat.
Okay. It just doesn't go in, it just bounces straight off. Indents anywhere in this one, aren't I? Ah! That's nice.
Gonna struggle with that.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's quite weak.
Yeah, that's because I beat the shit out of it.
No, I'm not going to be able to do that.
Let me split it again for you.
Like. Now I'm going to have some fun.
Pull! There you go.
Yeah, no.
Come on.
It's too close to the end.
No, it's not.
It is.
You can break that, you cut way into it. You wanted to learn to chop wood.
Yeah.
This is why it's annoying when you let fire go out.
Don't. Oh, I think I did a good job for my first go.
Mm. Near enough. Whew.
Get a sweat on.
Yeah. Don't need to go jogging when doing this shit.
This is where the magic happens. Ready? Ready?
Won't go first time. Oh, in the eyes. Small axe syndrome. Oh, I can't wait to get the new one. Fucking hell. This is the hardest.
Yay!
Alright, I'm just firing up the stove. The Franken stove. Mine, Marie's, camp. Bloody love it. So this is our system for when the light starts to go.
That's fried already.
I've got
Ah.
my little fly lamp thing on the decorating pole that I found in Scotland. Ideal. Right folks, that is the lot for today. Actually remembering to say goodbye even after a couple of whiskies. Getting some couple of hilarious comments on today's video about the bike. It's just, I mean, not that I have to explain myself, but I've been riding bikes for about 15 years. I've personally had over 50 bikes in my time. ranging from crossers to super bikes to adventure bikes. I've had everything, and I'm perfectly capable of riding a crosser around a flat field without falling off. It is what it is. The opportunity was there to have fun, so I most definitely took it. Being on private land with a massive field, some people are going to be salty about that because you're stuck in your houses and all of that. You know, perfectly understandable, fair enough, but don't try and put me down for what I'm doing, because I'm dealing with this shit just the same as you lot are. So yeah, I shall see you all tomorrow, folks. Catch you in a bit.